Alright guys, so we've got a brand new software here. It's called Pre-Launch Live Streamer, and this is a great tool. Okay, so what we can do with this is we can create these sort of pre-launch live events based on some product launches coming up. Now you can use this for local marketing, you can use it for other sort of evergreen affiliate marketing, but I want to kind of focus on these launches that are coming up, because you can build a buyers list of emails with these launches, because most of the people that will be searching for them, they are probably already customers of a bunch of people that have been sending them emails in the inbox that kind of gets them to come into YouTube and search for things like reviews and best bonus and stuff like that. So what we do here is we're going to create these live events in the future. Okay, so the live events is basically going to be sometime in the future, and when they come in here, all that we see is like live in 180 days, but here we have this very, very loud thumbnail. Okay, get your pre-launch bonus now. Okay, you can see another one here. You can see another one here. I've got about 12 or 13 of these just got delivered from Fiverr, and plus we had about another 10 before. So I'm going to bundle these in there with that as well. And this is basically telling them what to do. Get your pre-launch bonus. Now that's going to basically catch people's attention so that they will come and check. Now when they come and check, they will click in here. And when they click on one of these, then what you want to have in here is some links that are going to a landing page or somewhere where you can collect their email. In my situation, what I'm doing is I'm sending them over to these Chrome extension installation pages, because I build these with my Lead Blaster application. And with Lead Blaster, what we can do is we can build the Chrome extensions, a simple little checklist. If you see this one open up here, you can see this is YouTube SEO cheat sheet one. Okay, and basically what happens here is we can create these checklists, and when they go to open it after they've installed it, it's going to ask them to give an email address. Okay, so that basically is how that works, right? So that's just a very, very quick and easy way that we can build an affiliate marketing funnel without the funnel, because essentially we don't need a landing page, and when they opt in and we have them double confirm, we can actually send them to 2 different places at one time. Okay, because 2 things happen when they have opted in. Once they have double verified, then Lead Blaster is going to send them somewhere, and so will your autoresponder, your email autoresponder will send them somewhere too. So you can send them somewhere that seems logical. Now for me, I've got 2 places to send them, ready-made funnels for affiliate marketing, and both of them are either free to access or very, very low cost to access, but both of them are completely done affiliate marketing funnels that would save them a huge amount of time. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to do, and I want to focus on affiliate marketing kind of checklists and checklists that are around the sort of traffic topic, so that I can get people to have a look at these kind of offers and I can monetize them as well. Okay, so that's the game that I want to play with this particular tool for my own stuff. Now if you get this today, you can choose how you want to use it. If you want to use it for local marketing, go ahead, it's going to work just fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into the Longtail Alpha, and I'm going to create a project in here. And this project, what we're going to do is we're going to put in some keywords that are based on a product launch coming up. So if I just make this one go down a little bit, and I'll come in here into munchai.com, and one that I kind of settled on is like a week away, this one here called Profile Mate. And when we click on this Profile Mate, it will take us over to this page here, and basically we can get our affiliate links, etc. from there. Now what I want to do then is, now I've got the name of the tool, I'm going to come into my little txt file here, and I'm going to click on Edit and Replace, and here you can see we've got this 1K a day system. I'm going to replace that with Profile Mate. Okay, and I'll click on Replace All and close it. Okay, what this is going to do is giving me these keyword phrases here that I'm going to use for creating my live events. Okay, I'm going to create about 40 or 50 live events all at one time. You will see this in this video. Okay, so I'll just put in here profile mate, click on OK, come in here, and I'll put those titles in here, and I'll come back into my TXT file because I kind of got it a little bit sort of mixed around here, so I'm just going to copy that, and this we can put in here. Okay, so if I click on save here, you can see I've got 48. Okay, 48 different titles in here. What is profile mate, review, demo, reviews, bonus, best bonus, honest review, contest, competition, all that kind of stuff. Okay, and I could probably add more to it just off the top of my head, but for the purpose of demonstration, we got 48 live events that we want to set up with one click. Okay, and that's what we're going to do. So we have this, and we've saved it, and we've got the name of this. Now I can come into the pre-launch live streamer, and I can create a new project in here, and I'm going to call this again profile mate. Alright, we'll add that and come down here. Right, now the first thing is to go in the options. I'm going to ping and index the URLs. I'm going to make this 10 threads, so it's really fast. I'm going to choose long tail syndication keywords and override video titles with LTA project. So the LTA project that we just created is this one. We'll verify and save it. So all of that is going to give us instant backlinks, instant pinging. We're going to have a different title created for each one of these live events. In fact, we're going to have a different live event created around the titles. Okay, that's how it works. If I've got 50 titles, it's going to create 50 live events. If I've got 45 titles, it's going to create 45. So it works the other way around. Whatever we have in here, this is what determines how many live events we're going to have. Okay, so next, what we'll do is come into the accounts, and I'm going to just open and import some accounts that I had already. Now I've got 10 here, so I'm just going to checkbox all, and I'm going to clone these. Now I've got 20, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to checkbox all one more time, and that's going to give me 40. We had what, 48? Okay, let's do it one more time. So that's giving me 96 accounts. Okay, so what I'll do quickly while I've got these 96 accounts in here is I'm going to just save them, and I'm going to call this one 96 $5 ads accounts. Okay, that's the name of the channel, $5 ads. I'll click on save. Right, now that means that I've got enough here that I can run all 48 campaigns. It doesn't matter if I've got 96 or 126 YouTube channels in here. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will just do it according to how many titles I've got. So you can see I'm using all the one for this particular campaign. It's just for the purpose of demonstration. Normally I would do probably about 3 different Gmail accounts and probably around 10 different YouTube accounts in each. Okay, that's probably what I would do for this kind of campaign. But anyway, for now we're going to use this one. Okay, so what I'll do in here is I'm going to click on add. Now when I click on add in here, you can see I don't have any videos to upload, but I do have some details. We're going to choose the long tail alpha title, so I'm going to leave that as it is, and I'm going to choose a category for people and blogs, and I'm going to choose a folder in here, and that folder is for the thumbnails. Okay, so I'll just come into my videos folder, scroll down, and here is the folder that contains all those nice professional looking thumbnails. Right, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these comma separated keywords here. We're going to use them for tags. Okay, put them in here, use them for tags, and I'm going to click here to append tags as hashtags into the description. That means that these tags here will be made into one word and put at the bottom of the description in the format of a hashtag. Okay, so it's going to have the pound sign, it's going to have these 3 words will be made into just one word with no gaps, no spaces, etc. Okay, so that's that done. Now next what I want to do is I want to put some information in here. This is important because what we want to do here is we want to get people actually very interested in what you got here, so that they don't want to close it straight away because there's so much in here, that they just want to spend some time and get to understand what you've got in here. That puts your retention time on that page up, okay, which can help you to rank. Now I'm going to take my keywords from here again, and I'm going to put them into the description first, and then I know that I'm going to have those same keywords turned into hashtags later as well. It's just a little bit extra optimization. So everything is set up here. Everything here is set up. I can click on add the video, okay, I can click on accounts, I can click on all of that and make sure everything is okay. I'm just going to make sure this is checkboxed, and then I'm going to click on start uploading videos, okay, and it will work on 10 threads at a time. We can do 10 at a time. As soon as one is done, it goes on to the next one. Okay guys, I paused the video there because we had a little bit of a problem using that same channel again and again. I think it was actually the API key, so I've set up again with a different YouTube account and basically using a different API key as well. So what I'll do now is I'll carry on from where I left off. We had done 10 posts up till now, and now I'm going to do the rest of the posts using this new API key with a new Gmail account with a new YouTube channel. Okay, I've got 64 accounts in here now. Right, let's see if this works. Yeah. Okay, so it's either I was posting them too quickly, or I was trying to post into some channels that are not yet approved for live streaming. Usually you have to wait for 24 hours. I submitted probably about 12 or 13 channels last night before I went to bed, so this is working okay. It's not the software is working fine, it's just making sure that your channels are ready. So this is pretty cool. This is total market saturation with this kind of approach. That's a different thumbnail, it's not even in there. I'm not quite sure where that came from. Try another one. Yeah, you're gonna get the odd one slipping in. This is an old thumbnail from an old video in this channel, so it might be you will see that now and again. I don't know why it's happened. In that kind of situation, then you just can log in and change your thumbnail. I'll give you around I think about 20 something thumbnails, and we will get some more done over time as well. And you can see these are good. These are eye-catching kind of thumbnails, like click for pre-launch bonus, etc. People come in, they come in here, and you know that they are probably buyers of JVZoo and Warrior Plus kind of products, so we can build an email list from them. And here we can see all of my keywords have been generated. Okay, so I've done all 48 now with my list of titles. So that's total market saturation in the space of just a few minutes. It didn't take very long at all. So that's how we can use pre-launch live streamer. Very, very, very powerful. Just make sure that your channels are ready for this, okay? And if you can spread it between the Gmail accounts and channels, it's going to work better. But really important is that you want to make sure that your accounts are basically, you can see in here that the accounts are green and that we have authorized them as well. We have authorized the API key as well. And all you do once you've got it green, once you've logged in and you've got it green, then you checkbox one at a time, start authorizing APIs, and that means that you can post really quickly like you just see me doing here. That's how it works. It's simple stuff, but powerful, yeah? Thanks for watching.